How to install Genshin Impact on PC. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the game Genshin Impact on your PC. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Genshin Impact from here, and you have to go to the official website of them, and after clicking on here, as you can see, it will take us to the official website of Genshin Impact. And it's the official website, and as you can see, here is an option called PC download. New players get 20 pools. You just have to simply click on here and it will start downloading the game, the installer file from here. And after it's downloaded successfully, you just have to select click on it, double click on it, and run the program. And after running the program, it will take you to a window and ask for permission to install the game. And you can just select the disk drive and just where you want to install the game. And after that, you have to click on OK, and then the game will successfully start to install on your PC, download on your PC. And after downloading, you just have to click on simply the install button and follow the instructions, and you can install the game on your PC and run the Genshin Impact like following the method I've already told you. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.